Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to set 1-inch margins in Google Docs. So very easily you can set it. So firstly need to click on file. You see here file option, so click on it and this page setup, click on it. And now here you see this margins, need to set 1-inch margins. So in Chrome browser you need to search this inch to cm, inch to centimeter, and here need to set 1-inch margin. So here type here 1 inch. So 1 and 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. You see here, so just copy this centimeter and now in top paste it, top button and left or right. So paste this. This is easy way to convert 1 inch to centimeter. This is best way to convert this. So paste it this all, top, bottom, left, right. So paste this centimeter and click on OK, and you need to click on the set this default. So just click on set as default and now click on OK. So very easily you can set 1-inch margins in Google Docs. So thanks for watching.